Hello everyone, welcome to Architect 24/7. This video is about the common relationship between Vastu home and eco-friendly home. The basic principle of eco-friendly home is to make optimal use of resources such as light and heat from sun, wind for ventilation and water for rainwater harvesting. By using these resources, we can create a healthy environment and good working condition to all people at all times. Vastu also recommends the use of resources for a perfectly balanced environment which ensures health, wealth and happiness. In other words, we can call eco-friendly based home as Vastu homes. So here comes the top 8 common relationship between Vastu home and eco-friendly home. 1. Main door in the east. Vastu recommends to keep main door in the east. The environmental reason is you should open the door in eastern and northern areas to allow early morning sun rays to enter the home. In addition, morning sun emits beneficial ultraviolet rays. This helps to keep the home free from germs. 2. Even numbers of doors and windows. Vastu recommends to keep the even number of doors and windows in the home like 2, 4, 6, etc. and avoid odd number doors and windows like 1, 3, 5, 9, etc. The environmental reason for even number of doors and windows is to enable the proper flow of air through cross ventilation between rooms. This circulation of fresh air inside the house helps in maintaining the health and peace of the house. 3. Orientation. Vastu recommends a proper orientation of the home. The environmental reason for orientation is based on the movement of the sun in a day. If we orient the building and rooms of the home according to the sun's movement, then we can obtain the maximum benefit out of it in terms of heat and light according to the eco-friendly home. 4. Kitchen in the southeast. In Vastu, kitchen should be placed in southeast direction. The environmental reason is sun emits more ultraviolet rays in the morning hours than in any other time of the day, which have good effect on human body. These rays have tendency to kill bacteria and also UV rays of the sun will keep the kitchen counter free from germs. 5. Never place 2 doors in opposite direction. In Vastu, 2 doors should never be placed opposite to each other in north-south direction and in east-west direction. The environmental reason is when doors are placed opposite to each other, the wind flows out in one direction without circulating in every room of the house. So never place door opposite to each other. 6. Planting Tulasi. Vastu recommends planting Tulasi. The environmental reason is Tulasi increases oxygen supply and circulates fresh air in the home. Tulasi also absorbs harmful gases like carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide. 7. Avoid toilets in northeast. In Vastu, toilets and bathrooms should not be placed in northeast direction. The environmental reason is sun emits UV rays in the morning hours. Having the toilets and bathroom in northeast direction will make the house remain dull due to hindrance of all positivity of the morning sun. 8. Avoid obstacles in front of the main door. In Vastu, front door of the home should not have any obstacles like main roads, any columns, staircase or lamppost. The environmental reason is the obstacle blocks the sunlight and air inside the house. So make sure that the east direction is always kept open, ventilated and clean to let the sun rays enter the house without any obstacles. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to receive more such videos in future. Why not leave a comment below and let me know what you think about this video. So this is Arpita signing off. Thank you so much for watching.